Shall I now discuss about the topic hexagonal closely packed structure HCP? A unit cell of a closely packed hexagonal structure is shown in figure. 12 corner atoms, top layer 6 atoms, bottom layer 6 atoms, totally 12 corner atoms. One at each and every corner of the hexagon. Two base-centered atoms, one at the top face of the hexagon and another at the bottom face of the hexagon. Three middle layer atoms in between the top and bottom face of the hexagon inside the crystal structure. Top layer to bottom layer distance or height is C, and top layer to middle layer or bottom layer to middle layer height or distance is C by 2. For example, HCP crystal structure: magnesium, zinc, zirconium, cadmium, cobalt, titanium. First characteristic: number of atoms present per unit cell. First consider total number of corner atoms, top layer and bottom layer per unit cell value find out. Each corner atom is shared by 6 surrounding unit cells. This 6 each corner atoms shared by 1 by 6 of this unit cell. Top layer: number of atoms due to corner atoms in upper hexagonal plane of unit cell value is 1 by 6 into 6 equal to 1. Number of atoms due to corner atoms in lower hexagonal, that is bottom layer, plane of unit cell is 1 by 6 into 6 equal to 1 atom. Next, the total number of base-centered atoms per unit cell value. Two base-centered atoms is shared by 1 by 2. The number of base-centered atoms in both upper and lower plane is 1 by 2 into 2 equal to 1. Middle layer atoms. There are 3 atoms is completely inside the unit cell, which are not shared by any other adjacent unit cells. Therefore, total number of atoms in a HCP unit cell value is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 3, that is 6 atoms. Second one, coordination number for HCP. HCP crystal structure is considered to have 3 layers: top layer, bottom layer and middle layer as shown in figure. The top and bottom layer, the base centered atom is surrounded by 6 corner atoms. In the middle layer, 3 atoms inside the unit cell. Let us consider the 2 unit cell. First unit cell, second unit cell. Unit cell 1, top layer 1 and 2, bottom layer 1. Unit cell 2, top layer 2, bottom layer 2. Unit cell 1 inside 3 middle layer atoms considered, and unit cell 2 inside 3 middle layer atoms here. To find the coordination number, the number of nearest neighboring atoms to a particular atom X consider. You see this diagram. Bottom layer of the first unit cell, the center midpoint, base-centered atoms X consider, the set surrounding 6 corner atoms in the hexagon, the first unit cell inside the 3 middle layer atoms for nearest neighboring atoms, and second unit cell inside 3 middle layer atoms for nearest neighboring atoms. Overall, find out this value 6 plus 3 plus 3 equal to 12 atoms. Therefore, coordination number is 12. Next, third characteristic, atomic radius R. To find the atomic radius of the HCP crystal structure, consider any two corner atoms. It has been noted that each and every corner atom touches each other. Therefore, the number of nearest neighboring atoms to side this lengths are A and distances to R. A equal to 2R, R equal to A by 2. Therefore, the atomic radius is R equal to A by 2. And next, calculation of C by A ratio. For hexagonal system, consider the top layer to bottom layer height is C and distance between the two neighboring atoms is C, and middle layer to bottom layer joined, this height is C by 2. Let us consider the corner atoms 6 and 3 middle layer atoms joined, and consider the arrangement of atoms A, B, O and C is the middle layer atoms. Let us draw the normal line OO dash from the O to the line AB, which bisects the line AB at a point O dash. You see this before diagram. Consider the triangle ABO is an equilateral triangle. A line AY is drawn perpendicular to BO. Figure shows this angle cos 30 degree equal to AY divided by AB. AY equal to cross multiplication AB cos 30 degree. AB already you know, known value. There are two nearest neighboring atoms, side length is A and cos 30 degree root 3 by 2. Substitute this value, AY equal to A root 3 by 2. And next, X is the orthocenter for triangle ABO. That is AX unknown value. To find the AX equal to 2 by 3rd of AY value. We have to consider this equation. You substitute this AY value. We get the answer AX equal to 2 by 3 of A into root 3 by 2. You have to simplify this equation. AX equal to A by root 3. In the another triangle, consider AXC. To draw this plane, AXC is perpendicular to the plane ABO. And then diagonal formula AC squared equal to AX squared plus CX squared. Now consider this equation. Before the equation, AC squared equal to AX squared plus CX squared. Substituting these values for AC, AX and CX value. AC A value Ax equal to A by root 3, Cx equal to C by 2. In this equation, we get the answer A squared equal to A by root 3 whole squared plus C by 2 whole squared. A squared equal to A squared by root 3 whole squared plus C squared by 4. A squared equal to A squared by 3 plus C squared by 4. So to simplify this equation, C squared by 4 equal to A squared minus A squared by 3. And then C squared by 4 equal to 3A squared minus A squared by 3. C squared by 4 equal to 2A squared by 3. Therefore, C squared by A squared equal to 8 by 3. Taking square root on both sides, we have root of C squared by A squared equal to root of 8 by 3. Therefore, C by A ratio equal to root of 8 by 3 equal to 1.633. Now consider this equation. And finally, fifth characteristic, atomic packing factor or packing density. APF equal to small v by capital V. First, volume of all the atoms in an unit cell V. Number of atoms present per unit cell equal to 6 atoms. Atomic radius R equal to A by 2. Therefore, volume of 6 atoms in the unit cell equal to small v values 6 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. R value substitute A by 2. We have to simplify this equation. Small v equal to pi a cubed. That is the total volume occupied by the atoms present per unit cell value. Next, total volume of the unit cell capital V find out. Capital V equal to area of the base into height of the hexagon. Area of the base of the hexagon value is equal to 6 triangle. 6 into area of the one triangular value AOB. Area of the triangle AOB, that is half of the values of BO into AY. BO meaning base atoms. AY for represents height. Substituting BO values A and AY equal to A root 3 by 2. Area of the triangle AOB equal to A squared root 3 by 4. Therefore, area of the base is equal to 6 into A squared root 3 by 4. Simplify this equation, 3 root 3 A squared by 2. Therefore, volume of the unit cell of the HCP crystal structure equal to area of the base into height of the hexagon. Capital V equal to 3 root 3 A squared C by 2. Atomic packing factor equal to small v by capital V. Substituting this value V and capital V. Atomic packing factor value is equal to small v by capital V. Already find out small v pi a cube, capital V 3 root 3 a squared C by 2. This value substitute, simplify this equation. Since C by A equal to 8 by 3 whole power 1 by 2 or A by C equal to 3 by 8 whole power 1 by 2. Therefore, APF equal to 2 pi by 3 root 3 into 3 by 8 whole power 1 by 2. Simplify this equation. Atomic packing factor equal to pi by 3 root 2. Pi for 3.14 divided by 3 root 2, that is 0.74, or percentage find out 0.74 into 100%. 74%. Atomic packing factor or packing density is 74%. Volume is occupied by the atoms per unit cell, and remaining 26% volume is vacant. For FCC and HCP crystal structure, atomic packing factor values are same. It is tightly or closely packed structure in a crystal system. For example, zirconium, magnesium, zinc, titanium, beryllium, etc. Next, conclusion. Different characteristics of the unit cell for SCC, BCC and FCC crystal structure. Compare this: coordination number, number of atoms present per unit cell, atomic radius and atomic packing factor. First characteristic, coordination number. For SCC 6, BCC 8, FCC 12. Second characteristic, number of atoms present per unit cell. For SCC 1 atom, BCC 2 atoms and FCC 4 atoms. Next, discuss the relation between atomic radius and lattice constant. Atomic radius represents R and lattice constant represents A. Figure shows the SCC, BCC and FCC crystal structure. For SCC, A equal to 2R, BCC A equal to 4R by root 3 and FCC A equal to 2 root 2 into R. And the next characteristics, atomic packing factor for SCC, BCC and FCC crystal structure. Define APF. The ratio of the total volume of the atoms present in one unit cell to that of the total volume of the unit cell. APF equal to N into 4 by 3 pi R cube divided by A cube. For SCC APF, pi by 6 equal to 0.52. For BCC APF equal to root 3 by 8 into pi equal to 0.68. And FCC crystal structure, APF equal to pi by 3 root 2 equal to 0.74. Summary. Comparison of crystal structure for SCC, BCC, FCC, HCP and diamond cubic crystal structure. Different properties are analyzed: volume of the unit cell, number of atoms present per unit cell value, coordination number, atomic radius R, packing factor. And examples are SCC polonium, BCC iron barium tungsten, FCC copper aluminum nickel, HCP magnesium zinc titanium, and diamond cubic crystal structure germanium silicon and carbon. Next, discuss about the topic crystal structure of sodium chloride unit cell. Each type of the lattice is determined by considering only one type of atom. Sodium chloride is an ionic compound. To find out the coordination number is 6. Figure shows the distance between the two same type of ion is 5.62 Armstrong. The number of sodium chloride molecules per unit cell is 4. The number of atoms present per unit cell is 8. Why? The sodium chloride crystallizes in cubic unit cell. The sodium and chlorine ions are alternatively arranged in the sodium chloride unit cell. It looks like interpenetration of two FCC unit cell. Figure shows if only the Na plus ions are considered. It constitutes a FCC unit cell. Similarly, if Cl minus ions are considered, it constitutes another FCC unit cell. The unit cell has 4 Na plus ions, 4 Cl minus ions and 4 NaCl ions are present in the unit cell. Therefore, the crystals such as sodium chloride, magnesium sulfate, lithium fluoride, magnesium oxide, calcium oxide, iron oxide and nickel oxide crystallize in this unit cell. Next, calculation of lattice constant of sodium chloride crystal structure. Lattice constant A represents A equal to N into capital M divided by rho into Na. N is the number of atoms present per unit cell value, M molecular weight of the sodium chloride structure, rho is the density of the sodium chloride, Na is the Avogadro's number. This all values substitute, whole power 1 by 3 find out. Finally, calculate the lattice constant value of sodium chloride crystal structure.